Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, this EA is a conservative risk focused robot designed for steady low drawdown performance on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame and other pairs. The developer pushes it as highly stable system with strong account protection. I also ran a full year test to see how it delivers in practice. So ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture and breakdown. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into it. But before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So it's totally worth it, and sure you check it out. Now we are talking about the Stability Pro, and it was developed by Profile Go Limited, which is a very popular name in the MK5 community when it comes to building expert advisors. They have 4-star rating out of 5 and 981 reviews. It's from Malta and they've been developing EA since 2005. They have 27 products and signals. And this particular EA goes for 499 US dollars, which is approximately $500. They have 3 reviews from people who have used it, and they have 28 comments from the developer himself and others. These are the settings which we'll get to later in this video. Now let's talk about the workings and mechanism of this EA. The EA prioritizes capital protection with auto lot sizing and is based on risks. The multiple drawdown safeguards, the safety stops, the controlled position management, all of these are what the EA focuses on. And it supports multi-pair trading from one chart, and it uses conservative rules to avoid big losses. The seller shows extremely stable long-term backtest with tiny drawdowns. You can see that backtest having 0.06% drawdown, very impressive on the equity, and 0.01 on the balance. Basically, it was just a straight line, straight push to the upside. We have a win rate of 82.93% from 17,741 trades, and this backtest was from 2007 to 2023. All of this looked very impressive. I'll have to give it to the developer, and also their backtest results show impressive numbers. Now the EA, according to the developer, focuses on reliability and survival rather than aggressive profits. Now the key features to the max drawdown caps. Let's go to comments so we can see that settings again. You can see it. This is what the settings look like. And I also go to my inputs on MetaTrader 5 to show you what my settings look like. Now this is it. We have the auto lot with risk scaling. We have the max drawdown caps. We have the safety stop loss options, the trading panel. We also have the multi-pair support and various closing rules. It's built for traders who want stability and built-in protections to keep the account safe during volatile periods. We have the max lots, the auto lot mode, the manual balance. You can use the EA only for drawdown calculation. We also have the max allowed drawdown in percentage, depending on what you want. Now these are the default settings from the developer. I use these defaults to run a backtest on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame as recommended, and it was on a $10,000 deposit from June 2025 to June 2026. And the result was a small net profit of about $39. The profit factor was 1.26. We also have extremely low max drawdown around 0.30 for the equity and 0.28 for the balance, which is in line with the numbers from their backtest. And there's a decent win rate of 72%. The equity curve was very flat and steady with almost no noticeable dips. See it. And just slow and consistent growth. This is the equity curve, just a steady, slow, consistent growth to the upside. Compared to the developers' ultra stable long-term results, my test matched the excellent risk control but showed more modest profits on this recent period. You can see some trades that it took. Course of trading. These are trades that we took in the backtest. Have a sell here, closed around here, another sell, closed here. And this was a sell that held through this drawdown here but still closed. It's surprising how this expert advisor manages to keep its equity drawdown low and even its balance drawdown low at the end of everything. It's commendable. Now going back to the page, that is all from the developer. This is how it works. Basically, we have smart grid, but all of this depends on what you allow. They also have their live signal, which is still on, and it's been on since 2023. This is June 2026, but we had a very major dip here, probably because of the grid, and which made it to be reading around 10%. But at the end of the day, we're still grinding up even after that very big dip. But it's impressive how it manages to still take the account from losses, red losses here, back to break even and even in profits. Now, these are some of the statistics on this live. It's been trading and it had 908 trades so far on the live, and all of these are impressive. My verdict for this EA is that it lives up to its name with outstanding drawdown protection and very steady behavior. The catch is the conservative approach can lead to smaller, slower profits, and it prioritizes not losing money over making big gains. It shines in normal market conditions but may grind slowly during strong trends or low volatility. Now, this is perfect for conservative prop traders, account protectors, or anyone who values capital preservation and low stress. It's great for multi-pair stability on a VPS, and beginners might like the safety, but anyone chasing higher returns or volume or action or fast growth should probably just look elsewhere. Now, always test thoroughly on your own broker data before you proceed. And like the video if you want more real expert advice or reviews like this one. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Comment below which EA you want me to review next. And don't forget to grab the free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.